In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mobile app using Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know how to go from an idea to generated app code using Emergent's guided workflow with clear prompts, optional attachments, and GitHub integration. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Emergent AI homepage. This is where all projects begin. If the dashboard is new to you, take a quick glance around. You'll see options for different project types, but today we're focusing on mobile apps. Choose the mobile app option. This tells Emergent you want a mobile-focused project, so it prepares the right scaffolding and toolchain behind the scenes. You'll land in a chat-like workspace where everything happens in a single flow. Now, type your prompt. Be specific about the app's purpose, target platform, and key features. For example, describe user roles, core screens, offline needs, and any integrations. Mention visual, tone, or tech preferences only if they truly matter. Clear prompts reduce back and forth and lead to better first results. If you already have acceptance criteria, include them in line so Emergent can align the UI and logic with your expectations. You can add attachments to give more context. Think wireframes, sample data, API specs, or a brief requirements document. Keep files relevant and organized. Concise references beat large, unfocused dumps. If you include private materials, ensure you have permission to use them and avoid sharing secrets like keys or passwords. Next, connect to GitHub. This lets Emergent create or update a repository with the generated code so you can review changes, open issues, and collaborate. Choose the organization and repo that fits your workflow, and follow the on-screen authorization prompts. Using a clean, dedicated repo often keeps things tidy. Choose a model that matches your project's complexity. Lightweight models are fast for simple apps. More capable models handle nuanced requirements and multi-file changes better. If you're unsure, start modestly and scale up if the draft needs deeper reasoning. When you're ready, hit send or press enter. Emergent will process your prompt, attachments, and settings. Wait for it to load. You may see follow-up questions. Answer them briefly and consistently with your original prompt. Then let the system finish generating. Once complete, you'll have a structured starting point in your repo and a clear path for the next iteration. That's all you need to create a mobile app with Emergent AI.